I have the OnePlus 15, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your 3.5 millimeter audio jack headphones or earbuds onto this phone. Now, obviously, this phone does not have an audio jack. Okay, so you don't have that, so you have to use an adapter. And one adapter I would recommend is this one. This particular one is from Ugreen, but you can use any variation of this. And this has an audio jack here and a Type-C connector. So you simply connect the headphones to the adapter and then the adapter into the phone. Simple as that. And once you connect, you should be good to go. Okay, now you can play any audio. So let me just find some audio to play, maybe on YouTube. And that audio from that video is playing through the headphones. I can bring it closer to the microphone so you actually hear that. And it's really as simple as plugging and playing. Now, what do you do if you want to listen and charge your phone at the same time? You could do that as well, but for that, you're gonna need a different adapter. So you have another adapter here from the same company, but of course you can use another variation of this. So this one has a Type-C connector, and then on the other side you have a Type-C pass-through and the audio jack. So connect the headphones to the audio jack and then connect to the phone via Type-C, play your audio, and it plays through the headphones. And then also you can connect a charger on this other side so that you can charge and listen at the same time. It's quite useful. So I'm going to leave these two adapters linked in the description below so you can check them out. But that's basically how to connect your 3.5 millimeter headphones, wired headphones to the OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.